Guys, welcome back to Manda's kitchen. So today I am sharing my masala pav recipe, which is just like the one you get in the market. So let's start. Onto a hot tawa I am adding 1 tablespoon butter. Once the butter melts, add in the chopped onion. Now let's saute the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in 1 chopped capsicum. Now let's saute the onion and capsicum until they turn nice and soft. Now let's add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it thoroughly. Now it's time to add some masalas. So here I am adding 1 tablespoon Pav Bhaji Masala, 1 tablespoon chilli powder. You can increase or decrease the chilli powder as per your taste. Give it a nice mix. Fry the masala to bring back its freshness. Add in salt as required. Give it a nice mix. Now here goes 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Give it a mix and fry until the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away. Finally, add in some water, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons, and cook the veggies until they are nice and soft. Add in 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Our veggies are nicely cooked now. Here I am mashing the veggies with a masher so that the flavors of the masala incorporates into the veggies. Our bhaji for the masala pav is ready. So let's get ready the pav. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon butter in the same tawa. Now let's roast the pav. Roast the pav from both the sides. Now stuff the masala or bhaji into the pav. Also cover the top of the pav with the masala. Our masala pav is ready. Let's do the plating. Here I have garnished the masala pav with some chopped coriander and sprinkle on some save. Finally, top the masala pav with some grated cheese. Our mouth-watering masala pav is ready, just like the one you get in the market. So friends, whenever you crave for masala pav, do try this recipe at home.